Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Ki Sangma haka Ndriutrik Rempang, ula ong baka shong satang haka Sorkar Pdeng ban aya karai ban pyntreikam ya ka inner line permit ILP, bat ban penrung ya ka ktien Khasi Garo, haka kernit ka bapra jong kariti sinsyar jong kari. Kum ka Sorkar ngila menjur ya ka resolution halor kini ki artali kimat. Kini kimat ki dei ki baladon hakikti jong ka Sorkar India. Ka Sorkar jela ka don tang khendiat ka sinjam ka bala ban shim ka balong ban menjur ya ka resolution ha ka kerdan ka jongi ban kerpat ya ka Sorkar India bakan penrung ya ka ktien Khasi Garo ha ka kernit bapra jong kariti sinsyar jong kari bat ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP ha ka jela. Kani ka peni ya ka jingshim khia na ka liang ka jongi ban penyat syakmat ya kani ka kam ong ukonrat ha bakren Syllad pathai kubor. Menteri Rangba ula banjur ru halor ke jingdon kam jong baro ban ya persyang ratba ban penbor ya ke Sorkar Pdeng bahkan shim raino kam kloi ha ka baidei bat kini ki arteli kiman. Hadian kata mentangi hab ban ya trelang rengkat bat ke Sorkar India. Baro nangi naki seng sain perthai per laki dei naki kenhun seng bhalang nekit khot ka parlimen bat Sorkar jela baro kin hab ban shim ya la ka jong ka benta bat ngati kinawa baro kila shim ya la ki jong ki benta henry ka dei ka jingkit khli ha baro ki kerdan bat ngati kina ba ki MP batmai ha po Lok Sabha haru kin shimlang ya ka benta ban penbor ya ka ni ka jingdawa bat ban ya kendu ya ki menteri badei khmi kata la ka dei ya menteri kampo ying ne menteri Rangba du kari ulaong. Konrad ula ongru ka don kam ya kejing persyang lang jong baro bat nga kermen bangin la ban penyat syakmat ya kini ka kam. Nakaliang ka Sorkar ngila Pdeng ban but dian halor kini ka benta bat ban bor nakaliang ka jongi ya ka Sorkar Pdeng ban pyntreikam no ya ka ILP bat ban penrung ya ka ktien haka kernit bapra jong kariti sinsyari.
We are as a government we have passed a resolution on both these aspects. Both these subjects are subject matters that are at the disposal and discretion of the government of India. There is only a limited action that the state government can take, which is, as I said, to pass a resolution at our level to request government of India to include our languages in the 8th schedule and also to implement the ILP in our state. So that resolution has been taken by our government, which shows the commitment from our side to move this forward. Now, post that, we have to now work closely with government of India. All of us at different political levels, whether it's organizations, whether it is members of parliament, whether it is state government, everybody has to do their part, and I'm sure that everybody is doing their part. But there's a responsibility at all levels, and I'm sure that we have got newly elected members also in the MP in the Lok Sabha. I'm hopeful that they will also play their role in pushing the demand for this and meet the concerned minister, whether it's the HM or the Prime Minister, on this issue. So it requires a concerted effort from everybody, and I hope that we'll be able to push this. From the government side, we are continuously moving on this, and there's continuous pressure from our side to Government of India to include our languages in the 8th schedule and also to implement the ILP.
The point out
It is very simple. I mean, for us to be able to get that, Government of India has to be convinced about this whole issue that is there. And I'm sure that not only that, number two, also that Government of India has to see the impact of a decision that will have on the larger landscape of the country. So therefore, now if they give the 8th schedule to Meghalaya, it means that if they include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, then what do we do about the rest of the 30 plus or 40 plus languages which also want the thing? So will they just give it to us, or they'll give it to all 40? Now, if they give it to all 40, will it be possible to implement it? Because 8th schedule means that, in Parliament also you can speak, you can give communications in that language, then that examinations can be held in that language, research and thing is done. So all these factors, Government of India will have to. So the question is now, the solution lies with Government of India. And therefore, as I mentioned earlier to you, the more pressure that we can put on Government of India from different organizations and all. So we are doing our part, is what I'm saying. The state government is continuously writing, continuously meeting, continuously asking for a schedule. And Government of India only tells us that we're examining, we're looking into the matter. So that's what it is. So ultimately, decision lies with Honorable Prime Minister. And as I said, the maximum that we could do as a state government apart from writing letters every now and then, was to pass a unanimous resolution in the House. That is the max what we can do. And that's what we have already done. And we have passed. So these resolutions were not passed before our time. It was passed during our time. So therefore, that shows the commitment that we have to this issue, to both the issues. And we have passed the resolution and put it forward. And now it's for Government of India to take the call.